Welcome to our video. Have you ever pondered about what fuels the triumph of a YouTube channel? It's beyond just the content, it's a blend of several crucial elements. Today, we're exploring the top 5 components that make a YouTube channel thrive. First on our list is content consistency. Consistency cultivates familiarity, and familiarity breeds trust. When you post consistently, you create a rhythm your viewers can rely on. A channel that sporadically posts content may struggle to maintain its audience. The second component is engagement. Respond to comments, participate in discussions, and create a community. Engagement is not a one-way street, it's an ongoing conversation between you and your viewers. Thirdly, we have collaboration. Collaborating with other creators can be a powerful way to reach new audiences. It's a mutually beneficial relationship where both channels get to share their audiences with each other. Fourth on the list is optimization. Use keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to help your videos show up in search results. Remember, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. And finally, the fifth component is continuous improvement. Always strive to make your next video better than your last. Learn from your past videos, analyze what works and what doesn't, and apply these findings to your future content. And there you have it, the top 5 components that make a YouTube channel thrive. These are the pillars that support the growth and success of your channel. But remember, success doesn't come overnight. It takes time, patience, and a lot of hard work. Feel the urge to share your thoughts. Drop a comment below. Enjoyed this video? Show some love with a thumbs up. Want more content like this? Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Remember, every like, comment, and subscription fuels the creation of more quality content. Until next time, keep creating, keep learning, and keep growing.